crypto.
If you mean crypto like Bitcoin, I've always said it's a fraud.
No hope for it.
Well, if they think they're a currency, there's no hope for it. It's a Ponzi scheme. It's a public, decentralized Ponzi.
With that, you got Jamie Dimon telling you the same thing. It's a scam. Be careful who you listen to, because this market is about to rip faces and about to change the global monetary system. And with that, what's happening, Crypto Crew? Sean's coming back at you in the cryptocurrency video. You can check us out, BitcoinBros101.com. We have courses, ebooks for you. You can check us out. Ebook package, 2-book package, limited time price. Also, you can buy our ultimate bundle package, limited time. What comes with this, you get our 9-hour crash course plus the 2 ebooks. Check it out. Take a look at the Bitcoin price chart. The current time it's recording, Bitcoin's coming in at 64.2K. And we're looking at quite a few different things here. Look at this uptrend. This uptrend is your friend to the end. When we bottomed out way back in November of 22, you can see that we've been in this upwards channel, putting in higher highs and higher lows. And this could be leg 1, this could be the pullback leg 2, leg 3. Now we could be in this micro pullback wave 4. How low are we going to go? Time will definitely tell. Right now on the daily chart, this goes all the way down to 47,000. Could we see that major pullback? That's a possibility, but one thing to pay attention to down below in this RSI, the RSI is bottomed out back in June of 22 and just stair-stepping its way up. This right here was a fake out, but also a reset in RSI, continuing to stair step its way up. So look at right now, we just bounced off this. Where's Bitcoin going next? We could be getting ready to rip up to that 5th leg and eclipse that $100,000 threshold. Bitcoin dominance. This is something to definitely pay attention to. We see that we have this symmetrical channel right here. What's been going on? We've been putting in a high, higher high, and then a higher high. But then it's been definitely just expanding. So when we come back down to this, if we come back down to this, this could be the alt season that we're looking for. And right now, the RSI has been in overbought territory. And when this starts to retrace and come back down, that's when we're going to see this rip down, and alts are definitely going to rally. Bitcoin halving's clock. Right now, we're less than a day away. April 20th is a massive day for Bitcoin. The halving is happening. We're going from 900 Bitcoins a day to 450. The supply shock is going to occur. Every time we see these halving, so in 2012, blast off. Next one, 2016, blast off. 2020, blast off. Where we are right now in 2024, are we going to get that blast off? So that multi-$100,000 Bitcoin? Stock Money Lizards is showing you what his take is. This is the potential roadmap for the current cycle. As he stated before, they believe we are in a midterm correction right now, which could take us to the mid to low 50s. And right here, this is what we're looking at. You see the having this pullback, 52,000, and then we are just stair-stepping our way to the upside. And 2024 ends, it looks like he's seeing by the end of the year, this could be a price target of about $150,000. But then we have a cool off going into 2025. And then what happens? We have that ultimate peak, September 25. This is over $300,000 per Bitcoin. So this is something you definitely want to pay attention to and definitely be privy of. Another update from El Crypto Pro. Bitcoin, the bottom should finally be in. So he's not calling for a low 50 range. Bitcoin reclaimed the blue dotted line and retested it to its point now. After reclaiming this line in 2012, 16, and 20, this was just the beginning. So right now, falling below it and reclaiming it, blast off. Right here, reclaiming it, blast off. Reclaim, blast off. Look what happens. We reclaimed it, retested. Look what's going to happen in the upcoming months. Are you prepared? Have you stacked sats? Tech Dev is weighing in as well. Doesn't look like it's ever been the halving. It's clear if Satoshi tried to line it up though, it's the liquidity cycle within the world. So right here, we're looking at the MACD, and then we're looking at the CN 10-year divided by DXY divided by the high yield spread. And we're pairing this with the Bitcoin price chart. And when all these align, what happens? So we have this on the CN 10-year over DXY. When this crosses here and this yellow arrow gets pointed, and along with the RSI on the monthly crossing from bearish to bullish. So when you see this cross along with this cross, what happens with the price action? The last off. Once again, 2012. From bearish to bullish, the yellow dot, blast off. Bearish to bullish, yellow dot cross, blast off. Bearish to bullish. It seems like this cross tends to happen before this indicator flashes here. But once this flashes, it's off to the races. And look at right here. We're bearish to bullish. This crossed. We just got this CN 10-year over DXY high yield spread crossover and the yellow triangle flash. So over the next 12 months, what are we going to be seeing? That blast off to the upside, and Bitcoin could be getting ready to melt faces once again. Right now, if you're selling alts, as we showed you here, this could be the alt season that everybody's been waiting for. So make sure you pay attention to this. And then the Pi cycle top indicator. Look where we're at. We came up and retested the 350 daily moving average. The green line hit our head. Could we come back down and retest the 111 daily moving average? That could be what's in the cards. Last time we hit this and we sort of got stuck right here in the 2020 run, we cooled off and then blasted up to that high shortly thereafter. So the halving is right around the corner. Is the halving going to be paired with the supply shock along with the ETFs? And are we going to get this continuation to the upside to cause this 111 daily moving average to cross 350 daily moving average to also call this Pi cycle peak? Now, one thing to note, this Pi cycle peak the past few times barely crossed. Even right here in 2021, will we actually get across this cycle? Could this be just FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt that it might not cross? But any indication that Bitcoin blasts up to 100, 150,000, this orange line is definitely going to go straight up towards the green line and get even closer. So just pay attention. And before you leave, if you want to get more in tune with the Bitcoin Bros, you can check out our premium Patreon pass. We have quite a few different memberships. The VIP Crypto OG Crew membership sold out. The VIP Starter and Diamond. Check out all the different benefits and be a part of the community. And with that, I'm Sean with the Bitcoin Bros. You guys like this content, go ahead and smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and show us some love. We appreciate the support. With that, that's all I have for you today, and I'm out.